Hello FHIR friends, welcome to DevDays 2025 on behalf of FHIR and HL7, the organizers of this great event. This year, special edition, we're celebrating 750 years of Amsterdam. It was in 1275 that Count Floris granted toll privilege to the population of his county, Amsterdam, the dam on the river Amstel.
And now we're at a very beautiful place in Amsterdam. We're gonna turn around?
Yeah.
Because this is the backside of the Amsterdam Central train station. And this is a place that only 25 years ago, it was run down, it was filthy, it was dangerous. And it's a place you wouldn't want to be found dead. Although that was a very likely way to be found here.
Yeah.
But look at it now, it's buzzing, the vibe, the view. So many people going on here.
Yeah, and actually, this is Pond Square. It's what we call a shared space, meaning there are no traffic rules here, no road marking, and every day 50,000 pedestrians and bicyclists pass here behind Central Station, and yet no accidents.
Sounds pretty great. I would wonder if that would work in health IT, such a shared space. No rules, no accidents.
I don't know what. I think in health IT and interoperability we need some guidance, maybe even some regulation, maybe even some road marking.
Sounds great. Maybe something like FHIR?
FHIR? Good work.
If you want more of these wonderful tips on Amsterdam, we have a special Whova channel, Where to Go in Amsterdam, filled with tips by our colleagues. A lot of tips on everywhere to go in Amsterdam.
And here's the first one. Take the ferry, like you see here. This is a ferry. Yeah, there you go. Take the free ferry every 5 minutes across the IJ to Amsterdam North and pay a visit to that beautiful building, IJ, the Film Museum of Amsterdam. Amsterdam North is an upcoming area. If you have some time to spare, it's worth your visit.
That's it. Have a wonderful and very productive Dev Days, and welcome to Amsterdam.
Bye-bye. Take care.